Good morning, Petey. I know that you're having a lot of fun right now playing, but the first day at your new school is starting soon. Are you sure you're ready?
Yep, I woke up and ran right here.
That's okay, Petey. Sometimes mornings can feel busy. Today, we are going to learn all about morning routines.
What's a routine?
A routine is something that we do in the same order every day. Do you have a routine? Wonderful! Routines help us know what to expect, remember important things, feel prepared, and help mornings feel calmer.
So, if I follow a routine, I won't forget anything I need for my day?
That's right. Let's head to the workshop and get ready for school together. All aboard! Choo-choo! Here we go!
The holly jolly choo-choo-choo. We're on our way to learning something new. We are all aboard Santa's Learning Workshop Express.
Here we are. We have lots to do before school starts. Everyone's morning routine is a little bit different. What's important is that your morning routine works for you and your family. Today, we will practice our school morning routine.
Ready for school! Wake up, stretch up high. Rub your eyes and rise and shine. We're getting ready, ready for school. Following our routine is super cool. Put on clothes for the weather outside. Shirts, pants, and shoes, let's go for a ride. We're getting ready, ready for school. Following our routine is super cool. Eat some breakfast, pack your things. Our routines makes our morning sing. We're getting ready, ready for school. Following our routine is super cool. Brush your teeth, comb your hair, grab your backpack now. We're prepared. We are ready, ready for school. Following our routine is super cool.
The first thing we do is wake up. Let's stretch. Reach high. Touch your toes. Yawn nice and big. Excellent. Now it's time to make our beds. Can you help us? Pull up the blanket. Fluff the pillow. Smooth the sheets. Wonderful helpers. Before school, we need to choose clothes. But what should we wear? Let's play Dress for the Weather. Brr! It's cold out. Should we wear shorts and sandals? Or a warm hat, a coat, and boots? That's right, a warm hat, coat, and boots. Ah, the sun is shining and it's warm. Should we wear a t-shirt and sneakers or mittens and snow boots? Great job! T-shirt and sneakers. Oh, look, it's raining out. Should we wear a raincoat and boots or sunglasses and sneakers? You got it! Raincoat and boots. Whoa, the wind is blowing and leaves are falling. Should we wear a swimsuit or a light jacket? Excellent, a light jacket. Great job, weather experts. After we get dressed, it's time for breakfast. Healthy breakfasts give us energy for learning. Let's eat some breakfast. Yum!
Brush, brush, sparkle bright. Squeeze. Squeeze some toothpaste on your brush. Just a little, not too much. Ready, set, it's time to clean. Let's make every tooth sparkle and gleam. Brush, brush, brush away. Every morning, every day. Brush, brush, brush at night. Keep your smile shining bright. Top and bottom, front and back. Don't forget, stay on track. Brush all around with all your might. Soon your teeth will sparkle bright. Brush the top teeth up so high. Brush the bottom down nearby. Brush the front where smiles show. Brush the back where food can go. Brush the left side, brush the right. Gentle circles feel just right. Round and round we go, you see. Healthy teeth for you and me. Brush, brush, brush away. Every morning, every day. Brush, brush, brush at night. Keep your smile shining bright. Top and bottom, front and back. Don't forget, stay on track. Brush all around with all your might. Soon your teeth will sparkle bright. Swish, swish, rinse it out. You cleaned your teeth, now shout. Hooray! Brush, brush, brush away. Every morning, every day. Brush, brush, brush at night. Everything will sparkle bright. Top and bottom, front and back. Brush the side, don't leave a crack. Healthy smiles are such a sight. Sparkling, clean, and shining bright. Morning and night, that's what we do. Brush your teeth, your smile loves you. Brush, brush.
My tummy feels ready for school.
Let's make sure we've used the bathroom before we leave. We wash our face, we brush our hair, we brush our teeth, and we use the toilet.
When your tummy starts to tell you or you wiggle in your seat, that's your body being helpful, saying something nice and sweet. Listen close now, you can feel it. Time to go and take your time. Walk on over to the potty, sit right down and try today. Maybe something happens, maybe not, and that's okay, that's okay. You're so brave for trying, so brave. We can try again. When you're finished on the potty, wash your hands with bubbles bright. Soap and water dancing, getting everything just right. If it doesn't work this time, we will do it all again. Every try is practice, and we will try and try again. Walk on over to the potty, sit right down and try today. Maybe something happens, maybe not, and that's okay, that's okay. We're so brave for trying, so brave. We can try again, try again. Accidents can happen, that's just how we learn and grow. You're becoming bigger, taking it nice and slow. Letter of the day, letter of the day. Hip hooray, hip hooray.
It's time for the letter of the day. The letter of the day is R. Can you think of any words that start with the letter R? Rise and shine. Routine. And ready. Can you think of any other words that start with the letter R? Those are some wonderful words. Oh no! The things we need for school are scattered everywhere. Let's collect them and count them. Let's see, we have our lunchbox, our water bottle, our backpack, our folder, and our jacket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic counting. Now we can pack it all in our backpack and have it ready for school. Let's make a school pattern. Book, pencil, crayon. Book, pencil, crayon. Book, pencil. What comes next? That's right, crayon. Excellent job making a school pattern. Our routine in the morning might change depending on what day of the week it is. Petey goes to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So we use our school routine on those mornings. Saturday and Sunday are the weekend, so we use a different routine on those mornings. Let's sing the Days of the Week song.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Santa, this morning felt easy. I knew exactly what to do next, and we got to the bus stop right on time before school.
That's the wonderful thing about routines. Routines help us know what to expect. And when we know what comes next, we often feel calmer and more prepared.
Yes, I think I see my school bus. Bye.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the bus go, I love you, I love you, I love you. The daddies on the bus say, I love you too, all through the town.
It's time for story time with Santa. Today we are reading The Ant and the Grasshopper. One warm sunny day, Ant worked hard gathering food. Every day, Ant followed the same routine: gather food, store food, organize food. Meanwhile, Grasshopper played all day long. "Why do you work so much?" Grasshopper asked. Ant smiled. "My routine helps me get ready for the future." Grasshopper laughed and skipped away. Soon, winter arrived. Snow covered the ground. Grasshopper looked for food, but there wasn't any. He felt worried. Ant welcomed Grasshopper inside. Following routines and preparing each day helps us be ready, Ant explained kindly. Grasshopper learned that daily routines can help us feel prepared and safe. From then on, Grasshopper made a routine of gathering food each day. The end. Today we learned that routines can help us feel ready for our day. Thanks for getting ready for school with us. We'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time at Santa's Learning Workshop, where learning is magical every day with a ho, 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 ho. We got to go, you'll be